Hello, is this Tufafo? I hope I'm talking to Tufafo. You know, you my sisters and my bros, and everything you are going through, we are going through it together. But if we discover ourselves, love, nothing will never come between us. Cause even the Gobo said that if God is with us, nothing will ever come against us. Preach peace.
I'm proud to be Kenyan, no, that's in my nation, that's where I belong. You know we came from the hoods, homie, that's where we from. So many hate, so many cases, pray they be gone. I looking around, I just see a beautiful nation, my God. I pray for the tribals and rebels, they coming together like one. Yeah, it can affect our children, I'm telling you we must reform. Yeah, I'm not complaining, no, I'm just saying the truth must be told. Yeah, we stick out all the time to build our nation a home. We must stick like a team. Will be very easy to achieve our dreams. All our nation, let it be smooth and clean. God take control, no more 6 defeat. This ain't no talk, this is for real. Cast every loss, cast it for real. And every cost down, make it to steal. All I'm saying, this peace is the key to unleash everything, man.
I'm proud to be Kenyan, and that is my nation, that's where I belong. The flag of our nation is deep and so precious, let's build our home. The fruits of our labor we feel with thanksgiving, heroes will be born. Let us be one like a group, this is my 2-5 flow. Oh, I'm proud to be Kenyan. 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 254, that's my home.
Stand there for my motherland. I can let anything happen to my brother man. That's the spirit of the nation we are running at. I will never do a mess that we cause now. I never give up on my people, love will never end. Rest in peace for the soldiers who are always there. The build up our nation, just see how we grind. Preach peace to the nation, you know yes we can. Black, defense, we are blackish. We are very eager, we go dream to accomplish. And red, set the blood the shed. Our heroes for that, you know they were dead, you know. White, we just aiming for peace. That's the major key, our everything. And green, vegetation trees. The color of our nature is so cool for real, I mean.
Oh yeah.
I'm proud to be Kenyan, and that is my nation, that's where I belong. The flag of our nation is deep and so precious, let's build our home. The fruits of our labor we feel with thanksgiving, heroes will be born. Let us be one like a group, this is my 2-5 flow. Oh, I'm proud to be Kenyan. 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 254, that's my home.
This my time when I'm preaching peace. I'm on the ground watching now like a referee. I'm always glad seeing people talking about the peace. Salute for the people, vote for the peace, bro. I'm always smiling when they see the flag on the top. I'm always sad when I see people go to war. I'm always die when they see the blood on the floor. I'm gonna say it twice, man, preach peace, bro. You better see the nation, man, we are going far. We are one love, one country, one slang. Shank so funny when you see people throwing stones. Battle in the wood, but battle in the streets, bro. I want Kenya man to follow our league. Pack up all things, I'm preaching of the peace, man. We up sharpen our LOVE to the Kenyan people and to the rest of the world.
I'm proud to be Kenyan, and that is my nation, that's where I belong. The flag of our nation is deep and so precious, let's build our home. The fruits of our labor we feel with thanksgiving, heroes will be born. Let us be one like a group, this is my 2-5 flow. I'm proud to be Kenyan.
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 I'm proud to be.
I'm proud to be Kenyan.
I'm proud to be Kenyan.
I'm proud to be Kenyan.
Yeah.
I'm proud to be Kenyan.
Mimi Mkenya daima.
I'm proud to be Kenyan.
Yeah.
254.